farm animals toys? For big farm animals toys. Let's see what's the best. Let's start from the mini animals farm toy. First, we got a mini cow toy, and it's a Holstein. Second, we got a mini hen toy. And third, we got a turkey mini toy. Next, we got a mini husky toy. But this is a Charlie. But it looks like to me a husky. Next, we got a mini sheep toy, but this is not a sheep, guys. So you know, this is actually a mini ram toy. And fifth, we got a mini horse toy. Now let's start with the big animals farm toys. First, we got a goat toy, and this is a female. So don't say, guys, this is a male, but it's actually a female. Next, we got a horse toy that looks awesome. It's the same as the one I have, guys. Let me show it to you. Yeah, here's the old one that I have, and it's more different than this bad boys. There are different colors and different futuristic. So might be different that this is like a copy. I don't know. But anyways, we got another Holstein, but this is a bull toy. It's a Holstein bull, but this is just a normal bull for those who don't know, because look, if I stand it, that is a grease bull, bro. And next we got this, another bull toy. It's not greasy and it's not mad. It's a male. It's not a female. Next, we got this ram, and this is a big ram, the biggest ram on earth. But this, I think it's a ram deer, because it kind of mixed to it. But I actually don't have that toy as an old guy, so this is a new one. Next, we have the cat that is big, and I have the same of it but old, and it's a different color rated of it. So guys, these are the pairs of it. So this is the mini farm animals toys. It's called Pass-Through. And the next is the big one, the big animal farm toys. Is called My Farm. And you're gonna ask me, do you get this in America? No, guys, this is not an American or a UK toy. This is an Egyptian toy. So you can only get this in Egypt, guys. So see ya, bye bye, I love ya.